welcome back to KG's Garage. Today we're going to first ever Freedom Factory Cars and Coffee. Started at 7. We're going to get there about 8 and runs till 10. They're also having a open track night tonight, which I won't be able to make, but that's okay. I'm going to go check out this Cars and Coffee, first one they're putting on, and see how it goes. I got my littlest son here. Want to say hi, Elias? Very tired. Stayed up late last night, I think. Anyway, we're on our way, and I'll take some more video when I get there. Freedom Factory, Cars and Coffee. Pretty much. Infield and halfway around the track.
What you know about a deal? Yeah, the girl, they hit the spot.
I'm gonna do some hops to try to touch that.
Huh?
Never, alright, forget it. Oh, did you? You got it?
Yeah, I came down.
Cool. Alright, well that was it. That's it. Cars and Coffee. Freedom Factory. First one. Hopefully they did well enough that they do more. It's kind of neat. Anyway, we are on our way back home. We will catch you in the next video. See ya.